So sorry, I bring my troops here. And I still have my personal secretary. Please, Mbak Manis, Mbak Suryani, and others just to join us. Jadi lebih pede. Terima kasih. Saya akan bicara dalam bahasa Indonesia dulu, kemudian dalam bahasa Inggris ya. I don't want to make speech. Let me just mention a few words in Indonesia bahasa, and then of course with English. And well, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua, ibu-ibu, bapak-bapak, para sesepuh, para pelajar, karyawan, dan juga warga Indonesia yang telah ada di Swedia. Pertama-tama, saya mengucapkan terima kasih atas kehadirannya di Wisma ini pada siang hari ini. Terima kasih juga kepada Swedia yang telah menyediakan sunshine yang sangat bagus di luar, sehingga kita merasa lebih hangat. Nah, dalam kaitan ini, saya ingin memperkenalkan diri. So first, I would like to thanks for coming in this Wisma or our residence, and of course, I would like to thank you to Sweden, Swedish people, our colleagues here, for bringing sunshine to all of us. And let me start from myself. My name is Bagas Hapsoro. So I was born in Jogja. So sometimes I meet myself. My name is Yosi, Yojo Asli. Thank you very much. So my career starts from 1985 with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and I was posted first in New York, second in Houston, Texas, and back to New York again, and then Geneva, and next I was in Beirut, Lebanon, and today I'm here with you, just less than 10 days, just 9 days here, so I'm so pleased to have you here in my residence. And let me introduce on my next immediate right is my wife, Ning. Her name is very, very short, Retno Savitri Bagas Hapsoro. Just call her Ning, it's very simple. And then I will give the mic to my first daughter and my second daughter. Just introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you all for coming over here. And as my father has introduced myself, my nickname is Muli, but my first name is actually Mustika Larasati. But for short, you can call me Muli. And right now, well, this is my sister Rini, and she will introduce herself in a bit. But a little background on myself. I recently graduated in 2014 in journalism. And right now, currently we're both working right now, so unfortunately the stay will be very short, as tomorrow we'll be returning to Jakarta. Yeah, it's quite short, but we're looking forward to apply for our graduate programs. We've also applied to universities in Sweden, as well as several other countries in Europe. And right now we're just looking forward to hear back from them. Hopefully they'll accept us, hopefully. But yes, so we will be hopefully returning sometime soon. And yeah, thank you so much for coming over here. And let me introduce my sister.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, so my name is Rini, and people always assume that I'm older than my older sister. So that's why she's wearing higher heels today. But yeah, so I'm the second daughter and the youngest in the family. I'm 23 years old, and I graduated from Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. Currently I'm working in an e-commerce startup company in Indonesia. So yeah, both of us are, as she mentioned already, we're looking forward to finding a graduate program, hopefully somewhere in Europe, within Sweden, or somewhere not too far, so we'll get to be close together again. So that's about it.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Muli and Rini. I have also my staff. They're coming from Jakarta. Bisa diintroduce satu sama lain. Sekarang Adi ya, nggak apa-apa yang ngomong bahasa Inggris, please ya. semuanya. Adit dulu habis itu yang lainnya. Iya, biar sekretornya bagi-bagi gitu.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Aditya Pratama. I'm here as the private secretary for Ambassador. I will introduce the rest of the staff in here.
Yes.
Here is Yatinam or Mbak Manis. And the second one here is Mbak Suryani. And this one here is Mr. Priyanto. He also helped manage our day-to-day activities in Wisma. So I'll give it back to Mr. Ambassador.
Thank you very much. Ibu-ibu, Bapak semuanya, jadi saya mau jelaskan juga tugas dari Kedutaan Besar Indonesia adalah untuk membina hubungan baik bilateral antara Swedia dengan Indonesia. Yang nomor dua adalah untuk melindungi masyarakat Indonesia di Swedia, dan berikutnya berkaitan dengan itu adalah untuk membantu kawan-kawan mahasiswa, pelajar yang sekolah di sini. Just want to reiterate that the main mission of the Indonesian Embassy here in Stockholm is to facilitate. First is to maximize the good relationship between Indonesia and Sweden. And we always mention about the people-to-people contact. It's not only the government, it's also the society, but people-to-people contact. And second one is to protect the Indonesian citizenship here. Not only in my case, it's not only Sweden, but also the Republic of Latvia. And last but not least is to facilitate the mission, the work of the Indonesian students here, because they are studying in Sweden. Sekali lagi terima kasih atas kehadirannya. Ada yang datang dari Uppsala, dan saya dengar juga ada yang dari Gothenburg ya, Malmo. Saya terima kasih, saya betul-betul sangat tersentuh dengan antusiasme yang sangat besar ini. So what I was trying to say is we are very appreciated for your coming, your presence here. It makes our my mission here is much more confident to all of us how to serve better in Sweden. Harapan saya ke depan, ini saya pendek aja Mbak ya, jangan panjang-panjang lah ya, masih banyak rapat, kita diskusi lagi. Ada 3 hal dalam hal ini. Yang pertama adalah, saya ingin kawan-kawan mengambil manfaat dari hubungan antara Indonesia dan Swedia. The first is, I really want to maximize good relationship between Indonesia and Sweden. Because Sweden has give a lot of opportunities. There are, I think you know much better about that situation, the scientific education regarding the environment. Aditya just mentioned about the protection of human rights, which is true. We need to learn more about that, and not only human rights also, but also other issues related to human rights. Ethnic, resolution, conflict resolution, and so on and so forth. Yang nomor 2 adalah, saya ingin bahwa kita semakin akrab, semakin baik, dan ini adalah modal kita untuk bisa membuat hubungan semakin baik. Saya lihat banyak potensi, saya lihat banyak sekali antusiasme dari bapak-bapak. Tadi ada Pak Patmo, juga Pak Tom, ada banyak sebenarnya di sini, saya nggak usah sebut satu-satu. Ini contoh bahwa beliau-beliau adalah merupakan duta besar juga. Kita berikan tepuk tangan kepada mereka semuanya. I was just saying that we have a lot of Indonesian citizens, Indonesian diaspora, and they brought also, they're bringing a lot of good things about Indonesia because they are truly ambassador on this issue. Dan saya juga melihat, mendengar juga, banyak juga ibu-ibu bapak bekerja di public services, di rumah sakit. kemudian juga bekerja di panti-panti sosial. Kalau menurut saya sebetulnya mereka itu adalah pahlawan. Literally mereka adalah pahlawan. Kita berikan tepuk tangan juga buat ibu bapak yang telah bekerja di sini. Itu kira-kira yang akan saya sampaikan. Dan nomor 3 yang paling penting setelah ini, setelah bacaan doa adalah kita perlu makan dalam ini. Ya nggak? Setuju Pak Ani ya? Jadi Mbak Manis ini juga expert makan lumpia nih seperti itu. Jadi nanti kita akan cicipi bagaimana. Saya sekali lagi mengucapkan terima kasih. Mudah-mudahan saya tidak terlalu banyak bicara dan kita akan teruskan lagi meeting nanti kapan kita atur, Bapak-bapak ya. Kita atur waktunya yang enak. Tapi mudah-mudahan semuanya Bapak sehat. Saya terus terang diri sampai usia di atas 70 Bu ya. Masih sehat, masih gembira, masih ini yang perlu kita atur semuanya. Demikian, billahi taufik wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi Santi Om. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih Bapak dan Ibu dan Mbak Muli.